Do you feel like your apartment is shrinking every day, even though you're not buying anything new? What if I told you your tiny apartment already has enough space, you're just not using it the right way? Stay till the end, because some of these storage ideas will completely change how your home feels, without renovation or big money. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your interior designer friend, and today I'm sharing 30 smart storage ideas for tiny apartments. These ideas are simple, practical, and perfect for small homes, studio apartments, or rented spaces. We will use walls, doors, corners, furniture, and even airspace, so your home feels bigger, cleaner, and more organized. Let's start. Living room and bedroom storage. 1. Use floor-to-ceiling shelves. Most homes waste vertical space. Floor-to-ceiling shelves give you maximum storage without using extra floor area. You can store books, decor, baskets, and even folded clothes. 2. Choose a bed with drawers. A bed takes up a lot of space, so make it work harder. Beds with built-in drawers are perfect for storing blankets, extra bed sheets, clothes, or bags. Best. 3. Store items in underbed bins. If your bed doesn't have drawers, don't worry. Use slim underbed storage bins with wheels. They slide easily and keep things hidden. Store shoes, winter clothes, spare pillows, or luggage covers. 4. Add a headboard with storage. A storage headboard gives you shelves or hidden compartments behind your bed. It replaces bulky side tables and keeps essentials close. Perfect for books, alarm clock, charger, glasses, and small decor. 5. Replace nightstands with wall shelves. Traditional nightstands eat up floor space. Wall-mounted shelves look modern and keep the floor. 6. Use a storage ottoman. A storage ottoman is a two-in-one hero. It works as seating, a footrest, and hidden storage. 7. Pick a coffee table with hidden storage. Choose a coffee table with drawers or a lift-top design. It keeps the living room tidy while hiding remotes, chargers, notebooks, and snacks. Design tip: go for light wood or glass top to avoid heavy visuals. 8. Add slim rolling carts beside sofa or bed. Slim rolling carts fit into tight gaps. You can move them easily whenever needed. Use them for books, skincare, snacks, or work supplies. 9. Mount floating wall shelves. Floating shelves give storage without bulky brackets. They are perfect for decor, plants, and daily use items. Placement idea: above the sofa, desk, or TV unit. 10. Install wall hooks and rails. Hooks and rails turn empty walls into storage zones. They're great for bags, jackets, hats, and scarves. Doors, walls, and corner storage. 11. Use over-the-door organizers. Doors are often ignored. Over-the-door organizers add storage without drilling. Great for shoes, accessories, cleaning items, or pantry supplies. 12. Hang a pegboard for tools or kitchenware. Pegboards are flexible and fun. Use in kitchen, workspace, or entry area. 13. Add corner shelves. Corners usually stay empty. Corner shelves use awkward spaces and add charm. Best spots: living room corners, bathroom corners, or near windows. 14. Mount shelves above doors and windows. That space above doors is valuable storage real estate. Add slim shelves to store items you don't use daily. Closet and wardrobe storage ideas. 15. Switch to slim non-slip hangers. Bulky hangers waste space. Slim hangers instantly create more room in your closet. 16. Add a second closet rod. Double the hanging space by adding a second rod below the first one. Perfect for shirts, pants, kids' clothes, or short garments. 17. Use hanging fabric shelves. Fabric hanging shelves turn vertical closet space into compartments. Use for sweaters, jeans, bags, or towels. 18. Store off-season items in high boxes. Seasonal clothes don't need easy access. Store them in labeled boxes on the top shelf. 19. Add shoe racks on floors or doors. Shoes create clutter fast. Vertical shoe racks or door-mounted racks save space. 20. Use baskets on closet shelves. Baskets keep small items organized and hidden. Cooking kitchen storage ideas. 21. Use stackable bins and containers in cabinets. Stackable containers use cabinet height efficiently. They keep food visible and organized. 22. Add a slim pull-out pantry or rolling cart. If you lack pantry space, a slim pull-out unit is a lifesaver. Fits between fridge and wall or beside cabinets. 23. Hang pots, pans, and utensils on rails. Cabinets get crowded fast. Wall rails free up cabinet space and look stylish. 24. Attach magnetic racks or strips to the fridge side. Use the fridge's side wall for magnetic storage. Great for spices, knives, notes, or small containers. 25. Add tiered shelf risers in cabinets. Tiered risers help you see everything at once. Perfect for plates, bowls, cups, and spice jars. Bathroom storage ideas. 26. Use an overdoor organizer and corner caddy. Bathrooms are small but need lots of storage. Door organizers and corner caddies save space. Entryway storage ideas. 27. Place a shoe bench with storage at the entry. A shoe bench gives seating and storage together. 28. Add entry hooks and a small shelf for keys and mail. Avoid losing keys again. A small shelf with hooks keeps daily items organized.